Ephesians 2:10, TPT version. That we have become his poetry. I recruited people that will fulfill the destiny he has given each of us. For we are joined to Jesus, the anointed one, even before we were born. God planned in advance our destiny and the good works we would do to fulfill it. We have become his poetry. So do you know what it means that we have become his poetry? We are people who are designed to repeat what God has already said. You're not created to come up with your own solutions. Your solutions about your life are already in God. Meaning, the day you gave your life to Christ, God recreated you. There's no way you can give your life to Christ 100% and there's no change. Not unless you did not know what salvation is.